Welcome to Jodhpur, the Blue City. And this is where every ride begins. Stuck. Bikes, cows and honks from every direction. Our rickshaw driver hasn't moved 20 meters in 2 minutes. But watch his face. Zero stress. This is just another Tuesday here.
जगह नहीं बस मैं घुसो
Suddenly, a gap, and he takes it. We squeeze through an alley barely wider than the rickshaw. My heart rate goes up. But he's been doing this since he was a kid. No GPS, just instinct and a steady hand on the horn. Now we're flying. Well, flying at 30 kilometers per hour, but it feels like 100. He spots a friend on a motorcycle, shouts something, laughs, waves at a chai stall. Every local here is part of his navigation system. No road rage, just rhythm, 2 minutes. From dead stop to full flow. That's Jodhpur for you. If you've ever wondered what it's like to ride shotgun in a rickshaw through real Indian chaos, this is it. Hit subscribe for more unfiltered drives.